make sure to like and subscribe.
All right, guys, welcome back to the Playhouse. We have Kai Bear. What's up, girl? And we have Corey girl. Hey, what's up? All right, and today this is how to make ice cream in a bag. You guys excited about that?
Yeah.
All right. What's some of the ingredients we got?
So we got. I want to do it.
No, you guys take turns. Go ahead and take turns.
You do it first. Chocolate, strawberries, whipped cream, ice, sprinkles, gummy bears, salt.
All right, let your sister go. Go ahead and finish it, Kai. Just start from downhill with the salt.
Salt.
Mm-hmm.
Vanilla.
Yep.
Jelly.
Yep.
And
What's that? Sundae syrup.
Sundae syrup.
All right, and we have our bags right here. So this is how to make ice cream in a bag with the Playhouse. You guys excited about it?
Come on, we start.
We about to get ready to start. You guys excited about it?
Yeah.
All right.
Cream.
All right, so the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna put the cream, sugar, vanilla in the small bag. So you can go ahead and do that.
Nine.
All right, so we got the cream going into the bag, and that's half and half we are using.
Put it down on the table. Don't pick it up.
And Corey got her half and half in the bag. And this is how to make ice cream in the bag with Corey and Kai's Playhouse. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the sugar in the bag. All right, guys, so here we go. Time to make the ice cream. So in this little bag right here, we already have our half and half, vanilla and sugar. And then we have a Ziploc bag full of ice. So now we're gonna take our, and salt too. We put a little bit of salt in there as well. And so now we're gonna take our bag, and then we're gonna put it in our bag with our ice.
Okay.
All right, how to make ice cream, guys. You excited about that?
Yeah.
All right, ice cream in the bag, and then we're gonna shake it all up. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, keep shaking it. You gotta shake it for 5 minutes, guys. And then we also have all of our toppings right here. Oh my goodness, look at all of those toppings. You guys excited about putting all these toppings on? All right, keep shaking. We got 5 minutes to go, Corey. 5 minutes of shaking. This is how to make ice cream in the bag with Corey and Kai's Playhouse. All right, guys. You guys need some help?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and help these guys, and we're gonna be right back. All right, shake, shake, shake. Everybody shake. All right, now it's time to open it up. Open it, open it. All right, how to make ice cream with the Playhouse. Kai Bear and Corey girl. All right. You can take them Ziploc bags away, Bear, if you want to. All right, appreciate it. All right, so now everybody get their bowl. Get their bowl.
I got my.
Did it make ice cream?
Yeah.
It made ice cream. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, you're right. All right, go ahead and open it up. Pour it in our bowl, and you can go ahead and pour your toppings on.
Okay.
We have some whipped cream right here.
Some gummy bears.
We have some strawberries, some chocolate syrup, some gummy bears,
I can pour how much
some
I want.
sprinkles. Yep. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, Corey girl. You are about to have a blast. What about yours, Kai? You got yours?
Got some.
Let me check it out. All right.
It's like ice cream.
All right, that's crazy. All right, so go ahead. You guys can put your toppings on there.
Not done.
And when you're done with the bag, you can give it to Mama.
Oh.
All right, now.
Trying to
Yeah. All right, you guys dig into those toppings. Go crazy with it. All right. You guys want to say anything to anybody watching? Any of the kids or
Thank you
anything?
for watching.
All right. Oh, look at that. What you guys putting on it?
Some this stuff.
Got some whipped cream on there?
Yeah. I'm saving everything I love.
Really, Corey?
Oh my
There's a
goodness.
lot of sprinkles. And some
Corey, I think that's enough sprinkles.
All right, Corey.
gummy bears. And a little bit of
Oh, got Kai going for the jam. 2 scooper. Oh, Kai, what you got going on right there, Corey?
good.
What you got? Some strawberries working?
Yes.
All
Then
right.
I'm gonna get some strawberries.
Was that some syrup?
Caramel.
Oh my goodness, some caramel syrup. Look at that.
Sheesh.
Kai Bell. Oh my, I think that's enough, boo. I think that might be enough. Look at that.
A little bit.
Got Corey working the whipped cream.
Strawberries.
Some strawberries.
Strawberries.
Pour the bowl over to you, Kai.
Okay.
Strawberry bowl.
Strawberries.
All right, so what do you guys think about how to make ice cream?
Good.
It was good. Yeah, it worked out good. 5 minutes of shaking, made it happen.
That's more whipped cream.
Pour the jar over to you, Corey.
And we have 1 small Ziploc bag with half and half sugar, salt, vanilla. And then we Ziploc that up. And then we had another bag
Kai,
with
that's
ice,
enough,
sugar,
Corey.
and salt. And we put the small Ziploc bag inside the bigger one. And we
That's
shake,
enough,
shake,
Corey.
shake for 5 minutes. And it gave us ice cream. All right, you guys ready to eat? Y'all done with those toppings? You ready to eat?
One more topping for me.
All right, one more. Corey, oh my goodness. Look at that bowl of ice cream. You guys got to show everybody when you get done.
Okay.
That's enough.
All right, Kai. Look at that.
No.
Hey,
enough.
hey, let's do it. Let's go ahead and eat it.
It looks so good.
All right, go ahead and show everybody. Let me see it.
Yeah.
Let me see it. Show everybody. Oh, look at that. Let me move this out of the way.
Look.
Oh, tell everybody what you got on it.
I got sprinkles of cream, jam, and strawberries. Yeah. And gummy bears.
All right, Corey, what you got working? What you got working?
And syrup. And syrup. I got this. Trying to eat.
All right, time to eat it. Go ahead and dig in. Oh my goodness. Oh, how is it, Kai? Oh, there it is. All right, Corey girl. It's delicious, just like I thought. All right, that's what I'm talking about right there. All right. So there it is. How to make ice cream, guys.
Yeah.
In a Ziploc bag. That was fantastic. I'm glad we did this one. What about you?
Good.
All right, you glad we did this one, Corey? All right, so who's gonna take us out of the video while you guys finish
Corey.
this
Me.
ice cream? All right, Corey, go ahead and take us out. Do the outro.
Bye.
You guys say thanks for watching. Make sure you go to watch our last video. All right, Corey girl got a mouthful of ice cream, can barely talk. Kyle Bell got a mouthful of ice cream, and I guess it's the Playhouse side.
Bye.
Bye. Peace.
Peace.